Right, let's undock and head over back to the town, to Greater Marrow, cause who knows, maybe things have changed. It's been like what, 3 days since we left? Maybe we got new gossip or shit to find out. Imagine if they get worried thinking that I left them or something. Well, we can fish around here a little bit more calmly. A little bit basic, considering we've already got explored a little bit more, but yeah, I really want to just come back here and think of what we can do about that monster we found. Around. I wonder if we'll be able to make like the ship go even faster, as we progress through the game and gain more upgrades. Cause I mean, don't get me wrong. It's a nice thing that we already have something to like maybe boost ourselves a little bit in terms of speed, but yeah, I really don't feel like that's making much of a difference. Alright, fishmonger, or should I call you Magran? Don't overcommit yourself, especially when that sun starts going down. Better to come back with a small catch than to not come back at all. Yeah, you've already told me that. So, you good? All good? Good. Shipwright. Alright, sorry, it's a mess in here. I've just been so busy lately. You know how it is. Exhausting. Absolutely. Rusty outboard engine. Install time operation. Speed 10 knots. And ours is what? 14 knots. Yeah, that's a huge downgrade. And the other one is also 10 knots. No. What can we do? Finishing speed. How can I get more research? Okay, we have 3 research parts. Hydraulic rod. This would increase my fishing speed. No, I want something with speed. Like, I guess I gotta first go through these then. Volcanic and shallow, alright. Flexible fishing pole catches coastal and shallow. A hybrid design that allows for a more flexible fishing style. Oh. Can I invest in this? No, do I have to get the other ones first? Yeah, I have to get... Darn. Okay, well, fair enough, I guess. No, here are the engines! You imbecile! No! This is the one that we could have... 15 knots isn't that much, but... that's a shame, man. Remember, you don't have to have all of the materials at once. You can store whatever you have right here at the dry dock. So, I have none of them. Oh, okay. Alright, I see ya. Alright. So, that's how you do that. Okay, well, I guess we should just undock and see what else we can... Nope, we are not going to undock. It's already 5 p.m. Yeah, we're just gonna sleep. Okay, it's 6 a.m. Brand new day. Brand new experiences awaiting us. Where should I head out first now? Huh. What? Okay, let's head over here. That's gonna be to our left. So let's... Oh wait, but... There you go. Let's see what we caught over here. Yeah. Take off. .13 meters. Damn, that's gotta be like really big, right? That's right where we wanna go. Full steam ahead, people. And by people, I mean me. Because there's nobody else. It would be nice if you could, like, have people come on board with you, you know? Sort of like a way to mitigate a little bit how fast you can go insane. Because I think the game is not very is not very forgiving on that side. Should be... This should be the place, right? Huh, what is this place? Material pile, okay. This is the island where the builder wants materials delivered. Huh? So I just simply did. So nothing here for me. Okay. Alrighty, so let's just head back in the meantime then and try and see if we can find some more catches. Hello, what are you? A slab of rock just juts from the water, bearing crude symbols of curved fish. At its base, a rough shape has been chiseled away. Son of a bitch! Really gotta learn to take better care of my thing. Of my boat. Metal scraps, okay. I think that should be good. One more hole and it should be good. What? What happened there? It's okay. It's okay there, me. See? We made it back safe and sound. I found this book out back. Could be useful to you. Fishmonger reaches under the counter and hands you a damp, battered book. A few shimmering fish scales are stuck to the cover. Okay, well, I only got this left, man. Sorry. Okay, now that was shipwright. Oh wait, no, this is over here at the tripod. Okay, what is this? Ooh, an expensive son of a sphinxes, but it is. Coastal and shallow. A new pick, only coastal, so... Could I sell this to you for... No, that's not gonna be enough even. Sheesh, and the oceanic one. This one costs... Damn, that's a lot too. This is the hydraulics thingamajigs. Okay, I think I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna sell this away. I'm gonna buy this one. Install. Alright. Now we're poor. I will go to sleep knowing we're poor. Okay, I wanna go and see if something happened with that place that I found yesterday. Okay, yeah. First, let's make sure if... Let's see if we... Jesus. Let's first check if we have any new crabs that we caught. Alright. Pick up. Nice. Go ahead and fish a little bit. I'm sorry, a what? Bronze whaler. Wow. Ah, shit, this is not enough space, man. Is that thing still around here? I think it was a little bit further back, right? There you are. Are you feeling a little bit less satanic today? Slab of rock just from water, bearing crude symbol, yada yada. It's all still fresh, huh? Yeah, I think we can make it. No, don't! The blue mac. Ah, shit. Now I have to go back. Well, at least we didn't lose the other one. That would have hurt a lot more. Man, I gotta learn how to turn those tight corners a lot better. Okay, fishmonger. Here. Some good cash and shipwright, please help me. If you're wanting to get a bit more out of your engines, take a look through this book on the house. She pulls a book from a toolbox nearby and hands it to you. A few of the pages are stuck together with grease. Ugh, the grease. Alright, good. Now let's set sail for those thingies. It's already 2 p.m.? Oh, I don't know if I'll make it in time. But that's what makes it exciting, doesn't it? I'm gonna go over here and just get my thingies back. Hello. Maybe I shouldn't be here at this time of the night. Thank you very much. Now we can head back home. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Why is it so red all of a sudden, huh? We're gonna find something there. Righty. I don't know why it's shining like that though. I thought we were gonna get some mutant ones, but oh well. Maybe it just indicates there's a chance you'll get one. Ah, who knows. We'll leave that for another day. Fishmonger, hello. I have come to sell a shit ton of fish for you. $95, good haul there. And I think that's it, yeah. Let's just go ahead and take another good night's rest. We can't do anything else. Such a shame. Right. Time to go. I really don't know. What should we do now? We went over there. I think. Maybe I should just explore more. That's probably what I should be focusing more on. Just exploring. The Marrows. Actually, wait. A place to rest. Okay, spoke to a builder on a dock at Greater Marrow. Kept talking about moving on. They didn't seem entirely with it. Need to deliver found materials to Steel Point. To lumber and scrap. Okay, where can I find lumber and scrap? Can't fish here. Bit of shame. What's over there? It's a shipwreck. Perfect. We can't fit in anything else, so let's just head back. Oh my god. Best if I just try to stick near the edges. There you go. Some rocks there. I'm not going to crash into them. It'd be very unfortunate if I lost something right now. Oh, you enter a brightly lit shop. It's packed with antiques. The shelves full of jewelry and other baubles. An old man peers at you over silver spectacles. Hello? Is that? No. Ah, I don't believe we've met. Forgive me, my eyes aren't what they used to be. I specialize in antiques and jewelry. I'll purchase any special trinkets you happen to have. Have you got anything nice with you today, perhaps? Huh. Yeah, guess I can sell that to you. Thank you. Alright, we have a painter. Grieving father. Oh, what is you learn? Do you know of any shipwrecks around here? Oh yes, you see, my only son was lost at sea some years ago. He's still out there somewhere. In one of those wrecks, all alone in the cold, dark water. The man is clearly trying his hardest to remain composed, but tremors of grief racked his body. I was wondering, I noticed you have some dredging equipment installed on your vessel. If you were able to retrieve any of his belongings from the wreck, I think he'd feel more at peace if his mementos were with me. He wore a bronze belt buckle, special... Oh... Okay. Oh my god, no, that's the worst thing that could have ever happened, man. Did he... Hello, is everything okay? Oh man, it feels so undesensible of my to just ask for more shipwrecks. What do you know about any strange occurrences? I don't get out a lot anymore, so I don't see much of what goes on. But I do remember the old mayor in his final days. What an awful sight it was. Oof. Screaming and throwing things into the sea. Throw it back, he would cry, over and over, begging anyone who would listen, howling it to the wind. These days, I almost feel like I understand. Okay. I'd better go, yeah. Very well said. Oh, man. So unfortunate. So unfortunate, seriously. The worst part of it all, you know, is that I genuinely thought to myself, like, wait, maybe I should hold on to this for a little bit longer. I mean, who knows? It might actually be worth my troubles if I keep it with me, but yeah, no, I guess I was way off the mark there, man. I even looked at the belt thingy and thought, maybe I'm good, maybe I should keep it. But I was like, it says it's a worn out belt buckle thingy. I mean, who would want that, right? So I just went ahead and sold it and I remember it and it's so funny to me. If I could have seen the expression of the guy's face, man. Oh god. I would have been just such a bloody shame, man. Seriously. Poor guy. I wish they would tell us if, like, I wish there was a way for you to know if the guy managed to actually get things sorted out or not, or if he's just like, did he have to pay back for that thing, or like you could hear the guy coping. He was all like, oh well, maybe it's not his, so you're good. Yeah, maybe it's not his my ass, man. Ah, shit. It's too big, it doesn't fit. I gotta go and deliver this real quick, man. I wonder what would happen. Like, how would I be able to get out of the sea if I, for some reason, ended up getting, like, I overheated the engine? Or would I just kind of like just have to stay in place for a while and let it cool down? Check cabin for bonuses. Okay. Cool. So that's how you do that. Interesting. Seems like it takes you about an entire day, though. I'm gonna check over here and see if maybe we can find some more wood and just complete this mission. Good, let's get a little bit more. It's a good thing it's right here nearby, man. Alright. Go ahead and get this handed over and we should be good. Oh, that's not lol. I was trying to get the dredging equipment. Alright, we'll let her know, but tomorrow. Look at that angler, motherfucker. I know you're waiting there for me.